Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Operation BBQ Relief. They're looking for a social media and marketing specialist. It pays up to $55,000 a year. The social media and marketing specialist will draft and publish marketing material across all social platforms. The social media and marketing specialist will engage and respond in social conversations beneficial to Operation BBQ Relief strategy and brand. The social media and marketing specialist will help tell Operation BBQ Relief story through images, videos, and testimonials from volunteers, sponsors, and donors. Essential functions: work closely with the head of marketing and development to strategically publicize images, videos, and content to various platforms, including but not limited to Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Assist with story idea generation and writing. Work with the Operation BBQ Relief team to brainstorm marketing initiatives. Create social and website content and leverage support from influencers. Assist in developing and executing marketing and social media campaigns to raise funds during deployments and year-end giving. Develop and create marketing materials ensuring brand standards guidelines are met. Analyze and report on the performance and efficiency of campaigns. Research and analyze effective trends, metrics, and strategies to amplify the reach of Operation BBQ Relief. Assist with marketing projects throughout the year such as monthly newsletters, annual reports, and special events. Work with external agencies and vendors to execute marketing programs. Performs other job-related duties as required. Work activities. Communicate with supervisors or peers. Think creatively to develop and execute marketing campaigns. Maintain knowledge of current developments in area of expertise. Performs other job-related duties as required. Competencies: problem solving, analysis, project management, communication proficiency, strategic thinking, knowledge, skills, and other abilities, excellent time management skills, excellent verbal and written communication skills, excellent organizational skills and attention to detail, strong analytical and problem-solving skills, thorough understanding of principles and methods used to promote products and services, knowledge of current emerging social media platforms, proficient in Google Online products, Microsoft Office Suite, internet browsers or related software, ability to make decisions and use critical thinking skills in a high-paced and at times stressful environment. Key contacts: daily interactions with immediate peers in other departments, and head of marketing and development. Weekly interactions with the executive management team. Periodic interactions with customers, external agencies, and/or third-party vendors. Education, experience, required, bachelor's degree, plus 2 to 3 years of related experience or training. Preferred, bachelor's degree in communications, marketing, journalism, or related field. 1 to 2 years of experience working with Google Online products. Physical demands. The physical demands described here are representative of those that must be met by an employee to successfully perform the essential functions of this job. Reasonable accommodations may be made to enable individuals with disabilities to perform the essential functions. While performing the duties of this job, the employee will regularly sit at a desk and work on a computer for prolonged periods of time. This is a largely sedentary role. However, some standing or walking may be required. Work environment. The work environment characteristics described here are representative of those an employee encounters while performing the essential functions of this job. Reasonable accommodations may be made to enable individuals with disabilities to perform the essential functions. The noise level in the work environment is usually moderate. This position operates in a clerical, home office setting. This role routinely uses standard office equipment such as computers, phones, photocopiers, and filing cabinets. Other duties. Please note this job description is not designed to cover or contain a comprehensive listing of activities, duties, or responsibilities that are required of the employee for this job. Duties, responsibilities, and activities may change at any time with or without notice. At will status, Operation BBQ Relief retains its rights to employ employees at will. Either the employee or Operation BBQ Relief may terminate the relationship at any time. This written job description should not be considered an employment contract in any respect. Job type: full-time. Pay up to $55,000 per year. Benefits: 401k matching. dental insurance, flexible spending account, health insurance, health savings account, life insurance, paid time off, vision insurance, schedule, 8-hour shift, Monday to Friday, experience, marketing, 1 year preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.